Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and a very happy new year. In today's video, I am going to share a simple butter cookie recipe that I made recently for Christmas. It only needs 5 ingredients and is super simple to prepare. Not to mention it is absolutely delicious. Let's begin by mixing 1 cup of butter with 2/3 cup of granulated sugar along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have used pink salt in this recipe. Gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or Maida, a little at a time, mixing until the dough comes together. I added a bit of extra flour to make the dough soft and pliable, but this step is completely optional. Now the dough is ready. Shape the dough into a log and wrap it in a parchment paper or plastic wrap as shown in the video. Refrigerate for 1 hour. To prevent the dough from flattening on the bottom, you can wrap a thick dish towel around the dough log. This step is completely optional. Next, spread 2 tablespoons of coarse sugar on a large plate. Roll the dough log in the sugar to coat it evenly. Using coarse sugar or sprinkles for rolling is optional, but it adds a wonderful sugary crunch to the exterior of these cookies that is simply irresistible. Use a sharp knife to slice the dough into cookies about ½ inch thick. I split the cookie dough into 2 portions. One half of the dough is coated with colored sugar and the other half is coated with colored sprinkles to give it a Christmas feel. Continue the same process with the second half of the dough by rolling it in the sprinkles, then slicing it into cookies about ½ inch thick. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the cookies to a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake for 10 to 11 minutes or until the bottom edges just start to brown. Remove from the oven and allow the cookies to cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. If you prefer a crispier cookie, leave them in the oven for an extra 1 to 2 minutes. But be sure the bottoms don't get too brown or burnt. The butter cookies are ready, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more similar recipes. Thank you.